That's you and Mr. Franco on May 22nd, 2016, right, Ms. Heard?
That's correct.
Johnny Depp's legal team cross-examined Amber Heard over a visit she had with James Franco the night before she filed for divorce. The topic came up during the Aquaman actress's fourth day on the stand, after Depp's attorney had asked her about her attempt to change the locks at her penthouse apartment earlier on the day in question.
That's why you felt comfortable having James Franco over the evening of May 22nd, 2016, Ms. Heard?
I do not know when James came over.
Elevator footage played in court dated from that day shortly before 11 p.m. and showed Franco and Heard heading up to her floor. At one point, the Spring Breaker star appeared to rest his head on her shoulder, and she seemed to lean her head on his. Heard confirmed that she and Franco were going to her residence, but testified that she wasn't aware if she knew at the time if Depp was out of town.
I don't know what I knew of his schedule at the time.
In her legal team's redirect, Heard testified as to why Franco had visited her.
Because he was my friend and he lived next door, quite literally next door. And I had frankly exhausted my support network with my usual friends and was happy to welcome as much friendship at that time as I could possibly get.
She also shared her account of their elevator ride.
What did Mr. Franco do on the elevator before laying his head on your shoulder?
He kind of touched the side of my face and responded to what he saw.
Access Hollywood has reached out to reps for Franco for comment. Depp testified during Heard's team's cross-examination of him that he suspected his then-wife was having an affair with Franco. And earlier in her own testimony, the stand actress claimed that Depp had been upset with her for accepting a role on Franco's film, The Adderall Diaries.
He was mad at me for taking the job with James Franco. He hated James Franco and was already accusing me of kind of secretly having a thing with him in my past since we had done Pineapple Express together.
Depp is suing Heard over a 2018 op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post, in which she referred to herself as a, quote, public figure representing domestic abuse. The article did not mention Depp by name, but he believes it was clear that she was referring to him, since she requested a temporary domestic violence restraining order shortly after the two began their divorce proceedings in 2016. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor has denied Heard's allegations of domestic abuse, calling them, quote, heinous and disturbing. He told the court, never did I myself reach the point of striking Miss Heard in any way, nor have I ever struck any woman in my life. But during opening statements, Heard's attorneys argued evidence will show she suffered domestic abuse by Depp that, quote, took many forms.